Right, so here's your e-learning module that will unlock tomorrow morning. I guess if you're watching this video, it's unlocked. Today's instructions start here. I've been sending this out in an announcement every day. 3 or 4 of you out of 9 read it yesterday. So please click there, read the instructions. Things to note: nothing will be accepted via email. Everything must be submitted through Canvas. Way too much for me to try and keep track of. If you need assistance figuring out where to submit things, let me know. But in general, they are listed with a little piece of paper and a pencil. Assignments are. So this is where you will submit tomorrow's assignment, or today's assignment, I guess. I'm recording it. It's tomorrow. This is where you would submit your multiplying and dividing inequalities homework. And this is where you would submit your adding and subtracting inequalities homework. Assignments have the little thing here. And I want to say, yeah, I've allowed you access to the assignments as well, so you can submit them there if you have to. I feel like this is way more complicated, though. Go ahead and just access that through the modules. All right, so today we're talking again about inequalities with the variable on the right side. So this was a common issue on the quiz, which is part of the reason that we are going through all the things. So typically when you graph something, we're looking at x greater than 2. We had a lot of problems on the quiz that looked like 3 less than x. The problem is it has to have the variable on the left side in order for us to graph it appropriately. So if I want to rewrite this with the variable on the left side, I'm going to put x over here and 3 over here. Think to yourself for a moment, if I have 10 is greater than 2, and I want to write 2 over here and 10 over here, can I still use a greater than sign? Obviously not, because 2 is less than 10. So if 3 is less than x, that means x is greater than 3. Notice how we're still pointing the small part, or the pointing part towards the 3 either way. That's what we're looking at. So if you flip where the variable is and where the number is, the inequality has to change direction. And you need to have the variable on the left side in order to graph it correctly. Let's practice. So it's going to be addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all in this worksheet for homework. This is your notes. Undo addition with subtraction. N is less than -9. We didn't multiply or divide by a negative. No need to flip it for that reason. And the variable is on the left side, so we don't need to flip it for that reason either. Just need an open circle going to the left. R minus 5 less than or equal to 2. Undo subtraction with addition. R is less than or equal to 7. No need to flip. We did not multiply or divide by a negative. Variable's already on the left side. Fill in the circle at 7. Going to the left. All right. Remember that we're looking, where is the variable? The variable is over here. What is next to the variable? +3. I want v to be completely by itself. How can I get rid of +3 so that v is completely by itself? We're going to subtract 3 on both sides. This is now 0. So we have 3 is greater than v. We want v on the left side. Is v on the left side? Well, obviously not. So we rewrite v in 3. The pointy part is towards the v. So we need the pointy part towards the v. in order to graph v is less than 3. Going to the left. 0 is less than -4 plus n. Where is the variable? Hey, look, there it is. It's over here. What is next to the variable? -4. What can I add to -4 to make it 0? +4. 4 is less than n. I cannot graph the inequality until the variable is on the left side. N is greater than 4. Pointy part towards the 4, pointy part towards the 4. Now the variable is on the left side, we can graph it. Open circle to the right. 9 plus n greater than 4. Where's the variable? Over here. What's next to the variable? +9. How can I get rid of +9? Subtract 9. N is greater than -5. Did we multiply or divide by a negative? Certainly not. Is the variable on the left side? Absolutely. Leave it there and graph it. Open circle. Go to the right. Number 6. -9 less than or equal to n minus 4. Where's the variable? Here it is. I feel like I'm playing peekaboo with Benny. What is next to the variable? -4. We want to make -4 go away. +4. +4. -5 is less than or equal to n. Is that on the left side? No. Write n on the left side. Write the number on the other side. Pointy part towards the -5, pointy part towards the -5. Fill in the circle at -5. Go to the right. N divided by 10 less than or equal to 6. Where is the variable? Here it is. What is next to the variable? Dividing by 10. How can I make divide by 10 go away? Multiply by 10. Do so on both sides of the inequality. N is less than or equal to 60. Variables on the left side didn't multiply by a negative. Fill in the circle. Go to the left. 2 times a greater than -4. Where's the variable? Here it is. What's next to the variable? Times 2. How do I get rid of times 2? Divide by 2. A is greater than -2. The number we divided by was not negative. No need to flip. Open circle. Go to the right. 4 more. -9 less than n divided by 2. Where's the variable? Here it is. What is next to the variable? Divide by 2. How can I get rid of divide by 2? Multiply by 2. -18 less than n. Variable needs to be on the left side. N, -18. Pointy part towards the 18. Pointy part towards the 18. Graph it. -56 greater than -8 times x. Where's x? Here it is. Reminds me of our cheerleader friends for some reason. What is next to x? Times -8. How can I get rid of times -8? Divide by -8. 7 is greater than x. X is less than 7. So Oh no, what did I do wrong? We divided by a negative. What happens when you divide by a negative? Inequality changes direction, but variable's on the right side, so it flips again. I remix, it was back to normal. So it flipped one time because we multiplied by a negative. It flipped again because the variable was on the right side, so it flipped back to where it started. X is greater than 7. 2 more. 45 less than negative 9m. It's going to flip twice again. So we divide by negative 9. Hold on, let me back up. Where's the variable? Where's the variable? Here it is. What's happening to the variable? It's being multiplied by negative 9. How do I get rid of multiply by negative 9? Divide by negative 9. Negative 5 is greater than m. We flipped the inequality due to the fact that we divided by a negative. Okay, need to have the variable on the other side, on the left side, pointy part towards m, pointy part towards m. M is less than negative 5. Last one, 7 is greater than v divided by 10. Where's the variable? Here it is. What's happening to the variable? Divide by 10. Get rid of divide by 10 by multiplying by 10. 70 is greater than v. Didn't flip. This number was positive that we multiplied by. V is less than 70. Pointy part towards v, pointy part towards v. 70. Have a great day. Make a decision.